On the weekly chart, we're going to be taking a look at lows in here. Nice hammer on the week. We'll take it, especially since we're on light volume. You can see for the past few weeks, but we ended green both weeks in here. And especially when you have that big kind of pullback in here with this long lower wick on the week. And then the bulls just kind of took over and said, hey, not happening. $5 of that move that we just had this past week on this candle in here came from Friday. So that's how we got to where we are right now, which is basically up against that 247 area. Now, to the upside in here, we're looking at obviously 250, and then we're looking at 253. To the downside, we're looking at 244. And that's kind of right where this 9-day EMA is matching up. It's 243.5. But basically, that whole area in here between 243 and 244, that is going to be our main support. If we do end up getting a breach below there, then we're going to be looking right here off that 240. You can see it's basically kind of where everything's been bouncing off of in here on these candles for the past week or so. So a little bit of a channel we kind of been trading in here between the 250s and the 240s, but it's not necessarily nothing that we're going to set in stone, right? So our resistances and supports are a little bit wider than that. And a little bit tighter in there for our immediates. But overall, that's kind of the $10 channel you more or less have been trading in here in lows. Right around a $14 expected move being priced in by this Friday, 17 by the following. So we're going to see how lows and we're going to see how overall retail starts to kind of react to things as we're going into January in here. Maybe we can get some better news as far as sales and things like that, and then forecast for the upcoming year and things like that. Maybe different news will kind of give a different indications here or there for overall consensus of 2026. But again, we're looking at basically a $10 channel that we more or less been trading in here. To the high side, we're looking at 253. To the downside, we're looking at 240 and 230 in here for our resistances and support. So let's see what happens in here on a new full week in here for the new year. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.